Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a cinematic text reveal effect in VN Video Editor. So if you want to add a professional cinematic touch to your videos, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create a smooth text reveal effects in VN that will make your videos look polished and eye-catching. So first you can just launch the VN applications on your phone. Tap on the plus icon and start a new project. And then use a black background. So here I'm going to just choose one from stocks. This one. Tap on next. Okay, so you can adjust the size of the canvas, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. Now you can just tap on text and add the text that you want. Okay, so here I'm going to just write cinematic. Okay, you can change the font to the one that you want. Let's see. Here I'm going to use this ones right here. Click on a check icon and now you can reposition the text and adjust the size to how you like it. Okay, now once the text is added, you can just click on the mask and select mirror options. Now rotate the masking like this and then make the masking smaller, just like so. Okay, after this you can just move the masking to the left corner and you can add some feather like this if you want to. Now add a keyframe at the start of the text and now move forward here. Okay, I'm going to move forward up here and now you can just move the masking all the way down to the bottom right corner. Okay, like this, and then move forward again up here and then just reveal the text. So I'm going to move back here and just reveal the text like this. Okay, tap on a check icon. Then this is the final result for the reveal text effect. So guys, that's all from me. That's how you can create this reveal text effect using VN. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.